So guys, we have our sample project on. Let's import a file, move and transform, scale it up a little bit, position it. Back to the main timeline. Let's add the effect, tab on plus, media. This file, you can download this file from the video description. Select the new layer, effects, add effect, color and light, then hue shift. Standard settings, tab on this icon to add your first keyframe, then move to the second location where you want to change your fire color. Change the hue shift to change the fire color. Now just repeat this process. Suppose we are done with our color changing effect. Now select the upper layer again, blending and opacity, lighten, screen. Also you can play with other options, totally up to you, and we are done. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.